Alright, so as y'all can see, hood dented. Waited this long. It came in. It was dented. But I'm going to work with it. It is what it is. I'll fix it once I get it on. Like I said, I roughed it out. Got the bottom painted. Okay, cool. Here's where I'm putting my seam sealer or expander foam up there. Put the roof on. Shout out Brian. Lock it in place. Set it up. Cover the windows, the back glass. Can't cover the windshield. The windshield already out. Let me get this front welded. You can see getting it in. Making sure it's tight before I weld. Going back through with my belt sander. Gotta keep in mind the windshield going here. So I'll make sure it's flush, everything right. This band file for sure, one of my favorite tools. Clean it up with the biscuit wheel. To it. So y'all can see. Another thing too, wanted to make sure it was even, as y'all can see. And onto the back. The back was pretty cool. It was more of a flat surface. Everything fit just how it was supposed to. So see, I'm just getting to it here. The thing came out pretty smooth. So y'all can see. Now, like in my previous videos, I'm setting up for my seam sealer. I have my nice lines in the back. Really wish y'all could see me in the back. I think it came out the best in the back, but you know, I'm taping off my other sides. Filling in the spot that I missed with my seam sealer on the inside, on the front brace that I replaced. On that side, go to the back. This shit was a workout. Up front. Spread it in. I used a small brush, and I should have used a longer one, so it just ended up getting a little bit more messy. Here's the finish. There it is, new roof. Get y'all.
I just wanna apologize in advance. I guess been better than niggas wasn't part of the plan. I see that change gon' make them change. The ones who thought was your right hand. And them niggas gon' envy when they see that you won't win. Like when them lights turned off. That's how you know that baby with it. But when I'm stage lights on, he don't hear nothing.